Unleashing your true potential is more than a mere concept. It's a changing process that invites you to look into the depths of who you are and discover the power that lies within. This journey is about breaking free from the chains of limitation and stepping into a realm where your true self can thrive. Today, we start on this path together, exploring key steps and strategies to unlock your fullest potential. Let's begin by building a foundation of self-awareness and understanding the barriers that may hold you back. The journey to unleashing your true potential starts with a deep dive into understanding your core self. Who are you at your deepest level? What values guide your decisions? These are not just philosophical questions but practical ones that impact every aspect of your life. Knowing your core values and beliefs is like setting your internal compass. It guides your decisions, shapes your goals, and aligns your life with your true purpose. What were you doing? Who were you with? These moments can reveal your core values. Whether it's creativity, connection, achievement, or learning. Write these down, as they are clues to your true nature. Self-awareness doesn't stop at knowing what you value. It also involves understanding how you operate. What are your strengths and weaknesses? How do you react under stress? Self-awareness is about noticing patterns in your thoughts and behaviors. It's about observing yourself without judgment and with curiosity. This understanding is crucial because it lays the groundwork for all subsequent growth and development. It's the soil from which your greatest potential can sprout. With a clearer understanding of who you are, the next step is to address and overcome the internal barriers that curb your potential. These barriers can be as overt as fear of failure or as subtle as a lingering sense of unworthiness. Regardless of their form, these barriers often serve as the gatekeepers between you and your aspirations. Begin by identifying your personal barriers. Ask yourself, what fears hold me back from taking steps toward my goals? Is it fear of judgment, fear of failure, or perhaps fear of success? These questions will uncover the fears that whisper words of doubt and limitation. Recognizing these fears is the first step to overcoming them. Once you identify your fears, challenge them. This doesn't mean ignoring your emotions but rather questioning the beliefs that fuel these fears. For example, if you fear failure, dissect this fear. What would failure mean about you? Would it define you, or could it be a stepping stone to greater growth? Often, you'll find that the catastrophic outcomes your fears predict are neither likely nor as disastrous as they seem. Moreover, overcoming these barriers often requires shifting your focus from what could go wrong to what could go right. This shift doesn't happen overnight, it requires practice and persistence. It involves reinforcing positive experiences and outcomes and learning to manage the negative self-talk that amplifies your fears. By systematically addressing each barrier, you strip away the power they hold over you. This process is not about becoming fearless but about learning to move forward despite your fears. It's about turning barriers into bridges that lead to new horizons of your potential. Understanding the power of your mindset is crucial as you continue your journey toward reaching your full potential. Your mindset shapes your beliefs about the possibility of success and personal growth. It's the mental attitude that interprets your experiences and can set you on a path of growth or lead you into stagnation. To harness the power of a positive mindset, start by observing your current mindset. Do you generally see challenges as insurmountable obstacles or as opportunities to learn? The way you answer this question can reveal much about your mindset. To cultivate a growth-oriented mindset, practice viewing challenges as chances to extend your abilities rather than signs of your limitations. Practice affirmations that reinforce a positive mindset. Statements like, "I am capable of learning and growing," can fortify your belief in your ability to adapt and overcome. This practice helps you build confidence and resilience, which are key components of a successful mindset. It's also important to maintain this positive mindset consistently. This doesn't mean you ignore the difficulties you encounter. Instead, it means you approach them with the belief that you can find solutions and learn from the outcomes. By maintaining a positive, growth-oriented mindset, you prepare yourself to seize opportunities for improvement and change, keeping your journey towards your potential dynamic and proactive. With a strong and positive mindset in place, the next step is to set a clear vision and specific goals. This vision is your long-term destination, a vivid image of what you want to achieve or become. Setting this vision helps direct your actions and decisions towards meaningful targets that align with your core values and ultimate aspirations. Start defining your vision by asking what you truly want to achieve in different aspects of your life, such as your career, personal development, or relationships. This should reflect your highest aspirations and harmonize with your inner values, as discussed. Once your vision is clear, break it down into achievable goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, commonly known as SMART goals. For example, if your vision includes enhancing your professional skills, a SMART goal might be to complete a specific professional development course within 3 months. As you set these goals, keep them visible and review them regularly to track your progress. Adjust as necessary, but always keep them aligned with your overarching vision. This continuous alignment ensures that every small step you take is a step towards realizing your larger ambitions. Each goal achieved is a building block towards your larger vision, reinforcing your belief in your ability to reach your potential and fostering a cycle of positive growth and development. Resilience is essential as you navigate the ups and downs of personal growth. It's the ability to bounce back from setbacks and continue moving forward toward your goals. Developing resilience not only helps you handle current challenges but also prepares you for future obstacles. To start building resilience, focus on maintaining a balanced perspective. When faced with difficulties, it's important to view these as temporary and surmountable. This perspective encourages you to look for lessons in setbacks rather than seeing them as defeats. Recognizing that challenges are part of the growth process helps you maintain your focus and composure. Another key to developing resilience is to manage stress effectively. Implementing regular practices such as mindfulness or physical activity can greatly reduce stress levels. These practices help clear your mind, boost your mood, and improve your physical health, making you better equipped to handle challenges. Maintaining a supportive network also plays a crucial role in building resilience. Surround yourself with people who encourage your growth and offer support when you encounter challenges. Knowing you have a supportive network can provide additional strength and resources when you face obstacles. The habits you cultivate significantly influence your journey toward unleashing your potential. Positive habits act as tools that help automate progress by instilling discipline and consistency in your life. Begin by identifying habits that contribute to your goals. For instance, if your goal is to enhance your professional skills, develop the habit of dedicating time each day to reading industry-related materials or practicing new skills. Making this a daily habit ensures steady progress towards your professional development. It's also important to identify and modify habits that hinder your growth. Reflect on your daily routines and identify any activities that waste time or detract from your goals. Once identified, work to replace these with more productive behaviors. Consistency is key when developing new habits. Commit to your new habits with a clear plan for how you will implement them daily. Use reminders or set specific times for your activities to help integrate these habits into your life. Track your progress. Monitoring how well you stick to your habits can provide motivation and insight into what adjustments may be necessary. This continual refinement helps optimize your daily routines and ensures your habits align with your ultimate goals. The relationships you cultivate play a pivotal role in your journey to unleash your true potential. Supportive relationships provide encouragement, feedback, and insight, which are invaluable as you work towards personal and professional goals. Begin by evaluating the influence your current relationships have on your growth. Seek out and nurture relationships with individuals who inspire you, push you to excel, and support your journey towards self-improvement. These relationships might include mentors, peers, or even friends who share similar aspirations. It's equally important to set boundaries in relationships that drain your energy or detract from your goals. While it can be challenging, distancing yourself from negative influences preserves your energy for constructive endeavors and protects your mindset from pessimism. Furthermore, actively contribute to your relationships. Offering support and encouragement to others not only builds stronger connections but also reinforces your own commitment to personal growth. This reciprocal dynamic enriches your journey and can open doors to new ideas and opportunities. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of personal development and a crucial element in unleashing your potential. In a world that is constantly changing, the ability to adapt and learn is invaluable. Start by identifying areas where you can expand your knowledge and skills. This could be through formal education, such as courses or workshops, or through more informal means, such as self-study or experiential learning. Choose learning opportunities that align with your goals and interests to ensure they are both engaging and beneficial. Emphasize the importance of curiosity and an open mind. Approaching life with a desire to learn from every experience can lead to profound insights and progress. Encourage yourself to step outside of your comfort zone to learn new things. This might mean taking on challenges that test your skills or expose you to new perspectives. Integrate adaptability into your personal and professional life. This means being open to change and ready to adjust your plans as needed. The ability to pivot when circumstances evolve is crucial to maintaining progress towards your goals despite the inevitable changes life brings. Recognizing and celebrating small wins is crucial on your path to unleashing your potential. This practice not only sustains motivation but also reinforces the positive changes you're making. Every small victory is a step closer to your larger goals and deserves recognition. Begin by setting milestones within your larger goals that are easily achievable and measurable. For instance, if your goal is to become more proficient in a new skill, set milestones for each stage of learning or achievement. As you reach each milestone, take a moment to celebrate your success in a meaningful way. The act of celebrating these wins involves acknowledging your progress and taking the time to reflect on what you have accomplished. This could be as simple as taking a break to enjoy a favorite activity or sharing your achievements with supportive friends or family. This practice of recognition helps build your confidence and provides a psychological boost. It reinforces your belief in your ability to meet your goals and reminds you that progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Keep track of these achievements in a journal or a list to visually remind yourself of how far you've come when challenges arise. While we end this journey of unleashing your potential, remember that this process is ongoing and dynamic. The steps we've outlined, understanding your core, overcoming internal barriers, cultivating a powerful mindset, setting clear goals, building resilience, forming positive habits, nurturing supportive relationships, committing to continuous learning, and celebrating small wins, all contribute to a robust framework for personal and professional growth. Consistently applying these strategies will not only help you reach your current goals but also prepare you for new opportunities and challenges. Keep pushing the boundaries of what you believe is possible, and continue to refine and adjust your strategies as you learn and grow. Your potential is boundless, and the journey you are on is uniquely yours. Stay true to your vision, remain committed to your growth, and keep moving forward with the confidence that you have the tools and knowledge to succeed.